Welcome back to another video, guys. I was asked to analyze volatility 151S index by one of my subscribers. So here in today's video, we're having a market analysis on this index price action. Basically, we're analyzing from a higher time frame down to a lower time frame to look out for a good trade opportunity on this index. And I actually find this index interesting. I see an interesting trade opportunity on this index. So let's start from the weekly time frame to analyze this index, or possibly the daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, we can easily tell by looking at the charts that this index has been selling to the downside. That's the first thing we spot. That's the first thing we identify whenever we open our chart. We spot the market direction, and we can tell that this index has been on a downtrend for a very long time now, creating lower highs and lower lows, heading to the downside. So after identifying the market direction, next thing we use to spot the levels and zones this index formed. So we got this level as a level of support, because you can see that price bought on the approach of this level. We got the buys here, market bought here, the same thing at this zone. So we got price buy on the approach of this level, but it failed to buy at this point. We got price broke below this level, but still failed to give a retest on it as a level of support, broke on resistance for the sell continuation. But still, we have to identify this level as a level of support, because we got at least two market reaction on this level. So this is a level we have on this index. The next level is at this zone here, right? When we zoom in the chart, you can see this clearly that we got price. Wait, let me get my cursor. Right, we got price buy from here as a support, broke below it, support, broke bottom resistance. Let's put the market reactions on this particular level. So we got the buys as a support, the sells here as a resistance at this point as well, and the last test of this level here as a resistance. So we got market tracked on this level a couple of times. We got price buy and sell on the test of this level. So this is a key level, would say. So our next level basically is at this point, a level of support, right? Price bought on this level, price also sold on it as a resistance here. Let's spot the market reactions as well. So we got the buys as a support, the buys here too as a support, the buys here, the last buys we got here as a support. Then price broke below this level, there was a break below this level of support here, turned resistance, a break and retest of it. So on this retest, we got price sell to the downside on the retest of this broken level of resistance, broken level of support. We got price sell on it as resistance, and we are actually trying to get the sells again from this level as a resistance. So what do we expect of this index? Because price is approaching a key level of resistance. We can't really say we've gotten a proper test of this level, because when we zoom in the chart, you can see that price haven't really tested this zone properly for the sells, right? But we've gotten the idea that market is approaching a key level of resistance, which could result to a selling trade in the coming days and weeks on this index. So which next level do we have on this index? We got this level as a level of support. We got price buy from as a support. The first buy is here as a support, the second buy is at this point as a support, the third buy is here as a support. So we've seen how price has bought on a test of this level. We got a couple of buys on this zone. And coming to the 4-hour time frame, after you might have identified the levels and zones and the market direction, right, we can see that on the 4-hour time frame that this index is creating these higher highs and higher lows formation, which is a bullish market structure. We have to also identify this market structure. We got price create higher highs and higher lows, so we can tell that this index is bullish on the 4-hour time frame. Remember, this is the identified zone which we're expecting price to come test, which is yet to test. We can see it's clear the market is yet to test this zone, and we've got price create these higher highs and higher lows on the 4-hour time frame, which means that we could expect a buy move, a possible buy move on this index. And we got our previous trend here, which is market being a downtrend, creating lower highs and lower lows. So we got a break of trend at that zone. We got a break of trend at this zone. Market shifted from a downtrend to an uptrend. So we have our next level here. We have our next level at this point. You can see the market reactions on this zone. First got price, right? First got price sell on this level as a resistance, sell from as a resistance and sell from resistance before a break above this level, and we have this uptrend already, which means that we should look out for buy opportunities. So if in any way price is to come test this trend support, because on trend lines we have our support levels and our resistance level. So this is our trend support and this is our trend resistance. You can see that whenever price gets to this zone, it buys from it. Whenever price gets to this trend support, it buys from it. So there's a possibility of price to buy from this level if market is to approach this level in the coming hours, and this, and we have our trend resistance as well. Like this zone, market is from the resistance, only one sell on this resistance, so you're likely to get price come give the second sell on this trend resistance. So for price to give that second sell, you have to get the buy move to the upside for price to come test our trend resistance. So the sell is expected to this zone on this index. On the 1 hour time frame, everything is looking good as well. So I'm expecting market to sell to this identified zone, this identified level. Remember, this is a key level identified here because price bought and sold on this level, this horizontal level here. I'm expecting a possible market reaction from this zone. So if in any way market is to sell to the downside to come test that level, this level, then I'm looking out for possible buy trade at this point. Looking out for possible buy trade at this zone. So that's my view and market analysis on this index price action basically. So watching close on market price action on this identified level to buy volatility 151S index. I'm bullish short term because you have to expect a proper test of our resistance level, our key level of resistance we identified on the daily time frame, right? This level here, this level at this zone, you have to expect a proper test of this zone. So to look out for short term buy opportunity on the lower time frame. So that's it, guys. Hit the like button for more market analysis like this and drop a good comment on this video. You can as well tell me the next index you would want me to analyze. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for listening, getting my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more. Have a wonderful day.